From the drawing models, we can easily modify the styles and settings. In the Layer Styles dialog, we can personalize default styles but also create new ones. Let's now see this function and add a custom style. Now, for the object in the drawing model, we can go to each single element layer and personalize it. We can hide some of the elements, for example for sectioned and non-sectioned parts. And as you can see, the drawing model is automatically updated. Let's now modify the line color and the thickness. Let's also define a background color or maybe remove it to clean up the drawing model. Once customization is completed, we can save these modifications to file. This obviously allows us to use the same style settings, loading the file also for other projects. In the drawing model, changing the style, we can change the way our project is represented.